According to ground measurements, Greenland is actually 14 times smaller than Africa. Ground measurements are pretty reliable because they can be verified by anyone. Shank the Globe was able to write a program that measures continent sizes pixel by pixel, and it's extremely accurate. So sit back and watch as we measure the continent sizes on all maps.
Tape on the table, map on the wall. They argue in circles, I'm trying to solve it all. Pulled out the tape, took steps from the curb. Teacher said, trust me, I still checked every word. Hands in the dirt, chalk lines in the road. I don't just guess, I gon' measure the globe. They talk flat, talk round, talk faith, talk facts. I talk edge of the dock, horizon, looking back. Eyes on the sky, waves under my toes. If it don't add up, I go follow the pole. Shank the globe, take a cut through the middle. Spin that rock, watch the numbers wiggle. Who's right, who's wrong when the lines this brittle? I just measure what I can, let the rest stay little. Shank the globe, let the chips fall slow. Mark that map anywhere I go. If the truth don't fit in the song they chose, I'll just shank the globe. Shank the globe, yeah. Arguing comments, caps lock all heat. I'm in the backyard counting my own feet. Shadow at noon, how far do it lean? Tiny experiment, big old scene. They pray to a chart, they swear by a clip. I'm watching the tide, keep time with the ship. If up is up and down is below, why they mad when I ask how they know? Shank the globe, take a cut through the middle. Spin that rock, watch the numbers wiggle. Who's right, who's wrong when the lines this brittle? I just measure what I can, let the rest stay little. Shank the globe, let the chips fall slow. Mark that map anywhere I go. If the truth don't fit in the song they chose.
The results are in, and everyone's wrong. One thing to consider is if there's more land at the North Pole, that would make Greenland shrink a bit.
Yeah. Cold air, frost on my lungs, maps on the table, ink on my thumbs. They drew that circle, called it the end. White space, blank page, nothing to defend. Night sky spinning, aurora in the dome. Compass keep twitching like you wanna go home. They say just ocean, I say that's cold. Missing land in the snow, buried under that globe. Missing land at the North Pole. They been hiding that stone cold. Spin lies till the map get old. Shank the globe, gon' find the truth. Yeah, shank the globe, gon' find the truth. Cut lines through the mask and prove. Whole world in a tilted frame. I'm pulling that pin from the game. Yeah.
He wants to think Earth is flat. Go right ahead.